Have you ever wondered how potato chips are made in factories? Let's take a look inside a modern potato chips factory. Everything starts with fresh raw potatoes. The potatoes are washed thoroughly to remove dirt. Next, the potatoes are peeled automatically. Only high-quality potatoes move forward. The potatoes are sliced into thin, even chips. Uniform thickness ensures even frying. Then, the slices are dried before frying. The slices are fried at high temperature. Extra oil is removed for perfect texture. Every chip gets evenly flavored. Chips are cooled before packaging. Packaging is done by high-speed machines. Each packet is sealed for freshness. Thanks for watching. This is how potato chips are made in factories. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.